Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this transition that you see on the screen right now. I guess I'm going to call this one the four corner because I'm running out of names. Once again, we'll start out on the edit page, get across Resolve, right click on it, convert to Fusion Cross Resolve. Then you get a Fusion icon up here. Click it, it'll take you to Fusion. Bring the media in 2 down below the media in 1. And delete the cross dissolve. We can go to one viewer for this. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there on the screen. Select the media in 1. Get a transform. Right click on center. Modify width. XY path. Then go to the modifier. Right click on the X. Remove XY path. Same thing on the Y. Right click. Remove XY path. Then right click on the X. Modify width. Anim curves. And if you scrub your playhead, you'll see centers going from 0 to 1. Change the offset to 0.5. And with the transform selected, shift space and drop shadow. And shift space, duplicate. Yeah, I know it's very similar to the last ones I've been doing, but it is a lot different coming up here. Change the copies to 4. And then right click on the center, modify width, XY path. Then go to the modifier, right click on the X, remove XY path. Same thing on the Y, and then right click on the X, modify width, anim curves. And then change the offset to 0.5. Then go to drop shadow for now. Change the drop angle to 130. And that's what you want. Now select the transform. Go to modifier, XY path, and pin it. Then go to the duplicate node. Then go to the XY path on the duplicate. Right click on the angle. Expression. Grab the pick whip from the plus sign and connect it to the angle on the transform. Now we rotate the one on the transform, it'll rotate the one on the duplicate as well. You can unpin that, click away, and then select the transform again. Back to the modifier and change the default angle to 36. Click on your screen, it'll change the angle, whatever reason. And it won't look correct, but it will be correct in the macro. I don't know why it does this, but for whatever reason, it does. Right now, if you set it on 30, it would be right on the corner. But after the macro, it doesn't line up. Select the duplicate node, get a merge, plug the media in 2 into the merge, then right click the merge, swap inputs. Then click away, hold the Alt key down, click right on the line, put a pipe router in there just to make it look a little better. That's the only reason why I'm putting it in. Go back to the transform, to modifiers. You want the XY path X only, not the XY path, and change the scale to 1.25. With the transform still selected, go back to the XY path, right click on angle, edit controls. I'm going to put position for the name. Select user and put your default setting, which would be 36. And the range 36. And the range 36 to 324. And slider control. Now when I okay this, it'll make a user tab. You can see that right here. That will rotate it for all four corners. Of course, you have to set that accordingly. 150, if I ain't mistaken, about right. Okay, make sure that's back on 36. Go to the duplicate node. Right click on copies. Edit control. We're going to set the default on 4. And the range from 2 to 6. Select user. Make sure you check this and tagger up here. And again, slider control. Okay, and we'll make another user tab. Now, if you bring it down and we can see all 4 layers, you should feel it like click in between all the settings. Up to 6. Make sure you put it back on the default 4. And we're ready to make the macro. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down and select these in the order that I do. Don't include any of the medias. Then right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro, give it a name, and follow along. This is the position switch we made. Your ease in, ease out curve options. You have to go all the way down to the bottom for this one. That's the copy switch that we made. And the drop shadow. Then go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates, Edit, Transitions. Here is where you're going to make your folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. Make it a little bit different. Hit Save. We'll go find it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Here it is. If you click on it, you'll see all your options. And if you look, when it's exiting, it is exiting very close to the corner. For whatever reason, you have to put the 36 on the first one and 324 on the last. The other two you have to line up yourself. And there it is. And you're going to want to adjust the shadow. And your ease in, ease out. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.